morning, Smith. How are you today?
Good morning, nurse. I'm feeling a bit unwell lately.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let's start with your patient history. Have you had any significant medical condition or illness in the past?
Well, I've had asthma since I was a child, and I've also had a couple urinary tract infections in the past.
Thank you for sharing that. Now, can you describe two symptoms you've been experiencing frequently?
I've been feeling short of breath, and I have some cross discomfort. I've also noticed my ankles swelling up more than usual.
I see. It's important to know. Are you currently taking any medication for your asthma or other condition?
Yes, I take an inhaler for my asthma, and I've also been prescribed a water pill for the swelling.
Got it. Do you have any now allergies, such as allergies to medication or anything else?
I'm allergic to sulfa drug. I get a rash whenever I take them.
Thank you for letting me know. Have you had any past surgeries?
Yes, I had gallbladder removed a few years ago.
Alright, we'll make sure to keep two in the mean. Now, can you tell me about your family medical history? Any history to heart disease, cancer, or other major condition?
My father had heart disease and my mother had breast cancer. My brother has high blood pressure.
Thank you for your information. Let's talk about your lifestyle factor. Do you smoke, drink alcohol, or have any other lifestyle habits?
I don't smoke, but I do enjoy a glass of wine with dinner. I try to eat healthy, but I do have a sweet tooth.
That's good to know. We'll discuss any recommendation based on that. Now let's do a quick review of your system. Have you noticed any issues with the digestive system, such as nausea or change in bowel movements?
No, nothing unusual with my digestion. I've been regular.
Alright, how about your nervous system? Any headaches, dizziness, or fainting?
I've been getting some headaches and I feel a little dizzy at times, especially when I stand up quickly.
Thank you for that. Lastly, let's discuss your social history. Do you live alone or do you have support at home?
I live with my husband and my doctor visit regularly.
It's great that you have support at home. Thank you for all the information, Mr. Smith. Will provide with further let's and make sure to address all your concerns. Good morning, Mr. Lee. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, nurse. I've been feeling a bit weak and I have some pain in my lower back.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me ask you some questions to understand your condition better. Can you describe the pain? Is it constant or does it come and go?
It is a dull as has been there for about 2 days. It gets worse when I try to move or bend.
Okay, have you experienced any other symptoms like fever, numbness, or tingling in your leg?
No fever, but I do feel some tingling in my left leg occasionally.
Thank you for sharing that with me, Mr. Lee. Let me check your vital signal to complete my assessment. Based on your symptoms and what I observed in sense, you may be experiencing skeletal pain, possibly. Based on your symptoms and what I've observed, it seems you may be experiencing musculoskeletal pain, possibly caused by muscle strain or the herniated disc. The tingling sensation in your legs suggests there may be some nerve involvement as well.
That sounds serious. Is it something I should be worried about?
It could be a condition that needs medical attention, but will need to do some further tests like imaging to confirm the diagnosis. In the meantime, I'll help manage your symptoms and make sure you're comfortable. Based on my assessment and diagnosis, I am planning to follow intervention for you. I'll administer an mild pain reliever to ease the discomfort. We'll apply a heating pad to your lower back to help relax the muscles. And for your to rest, avoid heavy lifting, and keep your posture straight while sitting. I'll arrange for the doctor to assess your condition further and will schedule to MRI or to check for any nerve involvement.
That sounds like a good plan. I appreciate the rest advice as I've been overpracticing to myself recently.
I'll start by giving you the pain medication. After that, will apply two heating pad to your back for 30 minutes. I'll be here assist your thought, so just let me know if you need anything.
And you know, I feel more it is now with a plan in place.
You're welcome. I'll also check in with with you in a little while to make sure you're feeling comfortable and to resist your pain level. How are you feeling now, Mr. Lee? Has the pain decreased a bit after medication and heating pad?
Yes, the pain is less intense and I feel a little more relaxed. The tingling in my leg has reduced.
That's good to hear. I'll make sure to continue monitoring your condition and adjust the care plan if need. I have also informed the doctor about your symptoms and will follow up with MRI to get a clear picture of what's going on.
I'm relieved to know you are taking care of everything. Thank you for your support.
It's my pleasure, Mr. Lee. I'm here for you and will make sure you get the best care possible.